Welcome to the Dolomites. We're here at our Stop. You guys are so mean.
Just kidding.
So we're here on our first gondola, headed up to Saseda. This is one, I had like 4 bucket list spots for the Dolomites. This is one of them. The gondola costs 40 euros per person, and we are on our way up. I want to introduce you to the squad right here. So we have Holly and Jaro.
What's up?
Say your ats.
Oh yeah.
At Travel with Jaro.
I guess.
Live and Polly.
Yes, check them out. They're amazing. We're going to be adventuring around the Dolomites together in Polly's camper van, which I will show you. It's the coolest thing ever. Let's go. So we have made it up here to Saseda, and as you can see, the weather changes quickly in the mountains. Look at that! It's a full-on like blizzard up here. It is so striking and beautiful though. Good morning, we have made it up here to Alpe de Suisse. This was one of my bucket list spots in the Dolomites. It is so beautiful because you walk and come along this road. Basically, you can't be on this road from 9 to 5, but there's a parking lot you can park outside of, and then it's like a 50-minute walk to get here for sunrise, and then you're basically in a valley with like all these mountains all around. It's absolutely stunning. The spot on Google Maps is Belvedere de Alpe de Suisse. It's so beautiful, and we're watching the sunrise now. All the clouds are lighting up and the mountains are just so striking. It's turning a beautiful little pink right now, and I'm getting very excited to see the sunrise. Peace. Oh my gosh, you guys, so we've made it out here to look at these kids. These guys. We've made it out here to Lago di Carezza. It's a very beautiful blue lake. You literally park right there. It's a couple euros to park. And then you come right up here to this beautiful blue water that's currently not blue. But I'll show you the pictures here of when it is blue. It's very beautiful. It's a quick walk and it's absolutely stunning. You can see these mountains all around. They have facilities everywhere, and it's a great stop on your Dolomites road trip.
Yes.
Go there. You won't regret it.
So we've just made it up here to Giao Pass. This spot is so epic because you can literally just drive up here. Like the parking lot is right here, and then you have this epic mountain and like mountains surrounding you all around. The drive up here was incredibly stunning as well. There's a ton of switchbacks, windy mountain roads, beautiful drive, and then you get up here. It's beautiful. So grateful to be here. There are a couple hotels and restaurants we might check out. Otherwise, we're just hanging around here getting ready for sunset.
We're definitely getting lost. But we have water, so it's okay.
That's it.
This is
That's
a terrible
the one. Whoa! We are out here hiking. It's too windy. So you guys, we have made it out here too.
Lago di Serapis. I think that's how you pronounce it.
It's a beautiful blue lake that Polly found, and it is apparently the bluest lake in Italy. The water levels are very low right now, but it is absolutely stunning. It's a beautiful sunny day. We've gotten out here and we're just exploring by the water. How do you feel?
Feel rejuvenated. Being on the sun is so sick.
We've been hiking in like without
Oh yeah,
all the way.
all the comments.
No way.
No way, no way. So we have just finished up an epic hike. Which one was it?
It was Serapis.
It was the Lago de Serapis. It took us around 5 hours, and the trail the whole way was very beautiful.
Very rugged, very beautiful, a lot of beautiful people. Lake was even better.
It was
We
amazing.
crushed it.
Yes, strongly recommend.
Woo!
Yes.
Well done, well done.
Formula 1. Woo, woo, woo.
What a gentleman. Who's this celebrity? Good morning, we have made it up to the Three Peaks, or Tre Cime de Lavadero. We slept in the parking lot right down there last night. It was so beautiful. Last night you could see the stars and the Milky Way all around, and then when we woke up, we saw the sun rising like all around the campsite, mountains circling you all around. It is so stunning and breathtaking here. And then the hike up to here was probably a half hour. And there's also a chalet that we're going to check out after this, get some hot chocolate to warm up because it is chilly, but it is so worth it because it's stunning. Look at that. Holy shit. This is insane. So we are here in Misurina right now. This is definitely my top Dolomites bucket list spot. It's literally a 30-minute hike up to here. And check out these views. What? Whoa! It's orange. Look at that. This is definitely the craziest spot I've ever seen. Misurina was the top of my Dolomites bucket list, and it is so mind-blowing. I mean, the hike is sort of along a cliffside, so it's sort of sketch, but honestly, if you're not afraid of heights, it's just jaw-dropping. I feel like that's a green screen. The way these jagged peaks go up, there's no way video can capture the true essence of how truly amazing it is. It's absolutely mind-blowing, and I so strongly recommend this. Definitely the highlight of the Dolomites for me. last stop here on our Dolomites road trip. We are at Lago di Brais. It is a very, very beautiful spot to come. I recommend coming early for sunrise. There aren't very many people here right now, which apparently is very rare, but it is a very beautiful and perfect reflection that you can see of the lake with no wind.